Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making the Windows machine reachable. Enable Remote Desktop on Windows and copy the PC name or IP address. Next, install Microsoft Remote Desktop on the iPad and give it network access. Once done, open the app and add a new desktop using that PC name and your Windows credentials. Use your Microsoft account if you prefer single sign-on. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi for the initial test to confirm connectivity before moving on. Once connected, tune the experience. Set display resolution or choose fit to screen so UI elements aren't tiny. Then configure input, enable external keyboard and trackpad support, map modifier keys like Control and Alt, and adjust pointer behavior for precise clicks. Also enable clipboard syncing and redirect local drives or OneDrive so you can move files between devices. If performance lags, lower color depth or disable wallpaper. These settings trade visual fidelity for smoother interaction and fewer latency spikes. Finish by arranging your workflow. Open the apps you need, pin taskbar items, and position windows for touch or trackpad efficiency. When you're done, close apps and use the Remote Desktop Disconnect option to avoid leaving sessions running. If you need files, upload to OneDrive or copy via redirected drives before disconnecting. Troubleshooting tip: if the iPad won't connect, confirm Windows Firewall allows Remote Desktop, verify the PC's IP, and check RD Gateway or port forwarding settings if connecting across different networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.